welcome to my channel. So today I did this look. It's a recreation of this look by Jaclyn. I used her palette and I tried recreating that look because I thought it was really bold, and I haven't seen nobody do something like that. If you want to learn how I did it, then just keep on watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe. The button is down here. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. So let's get started with the video. So I did prime my eyelids before doing this step, but I've done that in every single video. You guys know how to prime your eyes. So the first step I'm doing right now is applying this black liner on my lid. This one is from Sephora. You can get whatever black liner you have. This is just gonna act as a base for the black eyeshadow. And as you guys can see, I'm only applying the liner on my lid. I'm not gonna go up towards my crease, and I am gonna be blending it in just a minute. It doesn't matter if you get it all weird looking like I'm doing. We're gonna blend that in just a little bit, and you guys are gonna see how this works. So as you guys can see right now, I am using this brush. This is like a shadow brush, and I am moving the product around just to cover my entire lid. And then I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow from the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill, the volume 2 palette, and I'm applying the black eyeshadow all over the lid on top of that liner that we're using as a base or as a primer. And as you can see, I'm being a little bit messy. I'm not really blending or anything. Now I'm taking this Morphe 433 brush, and I'm gonna use this red shadow from the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna be applying that on my crease. And this color is what's gonna help me blend the black as well. Now the key to this look is to blend. So it might take you a while to get this look down, but I promise you it looks beautiful. Now I am applying the product lightly. This is just really pigmented, and I am blending it as I go, and I reapply and I blend, and I reapply and I blend until I get the desired intensity that I want. Now these two colors are really bold, but the key to making them work together is to know where you're gonna apply your black and don't go above. Like for example here, I left the black in my lid. I will be blending it just a tiny bit on my crease, just to, you know, blend those two colors together so you don't know where the red starts and the black starts or ends. Now I'm gonna be using this color from the palette, and I'm gonna apply this on my brow bone just to give it more brightness, like a highlight to my face or to my eyes. And I'm using the Sigma E58 brush. Now moving on to my face, I will be priming it with this Maybelline Master Prime Primer. I will be applying this mainly on my T-zone. Next, I'm going to be using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I really like this foundation because it's really hydrating to my face. And I'm going to be applying that all over my face. Then I'm going to use my beauty sponge from Real Techniques to blend everything out. And I will link down below on the description box, and also I'm gonna try and do it up here on a card, my foundation routine, how I do my foundation to look flawless. Don't forget to check the description down below. I always link my videos down there, and I always list all the products that I used. Now I'm taking this Revlon concealer, and at first I thought it was really light, and I did mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but it ended up looking really nice. So by itself it's gonna work beautiful, and it is really hydrating. I thought it wasn't gonna work, and when I saw it was really light, I'm like, I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but I did really like it a lot. And since it has a yellow tint to it, I did feel like it covered a lot my under eye circles, so that was a plus. So next up, I will be baking my face with the Airspun loose translucent powder. You guys already know the drill. I really like that powder. For me, that's like a dupe to the Laura Mercier. It's amazing, and for $6, that's a plus. Moving on, I'm using this Morphe bronzer for the first time, and let me tell you guys, the first time ever I used it in this video, and I am obsessed with it. The formula is really good. It's like a creamy, buttery bronzer. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really good. It became my favorite. And you guys, I used the e.l.f. stippling brush to apply my bronzer, and let me tell you, I love how that brush helped me apply that bronzer. Now I did bake under my contour, and I dusted everything off. Now I'm doing my brow routine, you guys. It is so simple. I don't do much to it or much to my brows. I just like color them with this dip brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I brush them with the spoolie. Now I'm gonna go back to the eyes, and I'm gonna focus on my lower lash line because I want to try and recreate exactly what Jaclyn has on the back of her palette. So she has it really smoked out, and I am doing the same thing. I'm using the red to smoke out my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with the black from that same palette, and I'm using a Morphe brush. I can't remember the number, but I'll link it down below for you guys. And I also used the Sigma definer brush, I believe that's called. I'll link it also down below so you guys can go check it out. Now I'm using my lashes. These are in the style Isabel. That's my grandma's name, that's why I named them like that. Next, I'll be using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and this is in the scent lemongrass. I don't like the scent, but I do like the product, so I'm gonna use it. Next, I am gonna do my lips, and I'm using the NYX Soft Spoken Lip Liner. I really didn't think I was gonna like the nude combos, like nude lip liner, nude lipstick, but I am really loving it. And I did pair that lip liner with the Revlon lipstick, and this is in the color Shameless. And you guys, if you have the opportunity to try this lipstick out, I highly recommend you go get it. It's such a beautiful shade, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed with it. Next, I also did wanted to do like a ombre effect on my lips, so I did apply Gerard Cosmetics Kimchi Doll lipstick, and that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you made it this far, comment down below. Let's make it to 1,000 subs. I love you, beauties, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.